Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BRZ engine. First, ensure your vehicle is safely secured on jack stands. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Next, drain all engine oil and coolant into suitable receptacles. Remove the air intake system and any engine covers to gain clear access to the engine bay. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe removal process. Now, systematically disconnect all components attached to the engine. Unplug every electrical connector from the engine and transmission, labeling them if necessary. Carefully detach all fuel lines, vacuum hoses, and coolant hoses. Next, unbolt the exhaust manifold from the engine and separate the exhaust system. Finally, disconnect the drive shaft from the transmission output flange, ensuring it is properly supported. With everything disconnected, it's time to unbolt and remove the engine. First, support the transmission securely with a jack or stand. Then, remove all engine mount bolts from both sides. Proceed to remove the bell housing bolts that connect the transmission to the engine. Once separated, carefully attach an engine hoist and slowly lift the engine straight up and out of the engine bay, ensuring no components snag. After successfully removing the engine, take time for important post-removal steps. Inspect all removed components, such as hoses and wiring, for any signs of wear or damage. This is an excellent opportunity to thoroughly clean the engine bay. Store your engine securely on a stable engine stand. When reinstalling, consider replacing common wear items like seals and gaskets for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.